derive the cos rule. So here we're going to look at how we can derive the cos rule, and let's draw up a non-right angled triangle. Call this big A, big B, big C. This will be little a, little b, and little c. We're going to drop a perpendicular from C down here, and we'll call this H. We're going to call the distance from here to here x, which means that this distance from here to this corner is c minus x, because the whole distance across was c. And to derive the cos rule, we're going to need to make three equations. First, let's look at this right angled triangle and just take cos A. So cos of A equals our adjacent side, which is x, over our hypotenuse, which is b. Then we're going to look at these two right angled triangles and apply Pythagoras. So we'll have b squared equals h squared plus x squared. And in the other one, we'll have a squared equals h squared plus c minus x all squared. So let's tidy this one up. So we'll get h squared plus c squared minus 2cx plus x squared. And from here, we want to make h the subject here, h squared the subject. So h squared, well, minus x squared from both sides. So we get h squared equals b squared minus x squared. And now we can go ahead and sub our h squared into here. So we'll get a squared equals b squared minus x squared. So and that's our h squared plus c squared minus 2c x plus x squared. So we can tidy this up by saying that's b squared minus x squared plus c squared minus 2cx plus x squared. Well, minus x squared plus x squared cancels out. And just using our third equation that we make, let's make x the subject. So we'll times both sides by b. So we get x equals b cos A. And we're going to go ahead and sub that in for our x over here. So we get a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2c times x, which we now know is b cos A. And we get a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times cos A, which is our cos rule that we know. And if you ever wanted to make cos A the subject when we're finding an angle, we can also do that. So let's minus b squared and c squared from both sides. So that's going to give us a squared minus b squared minus c squared equaling minus 2bc times cos A. Then we're going to divide both sides by negative 2bc, negative 2bc. So let's factorize out a negative in the numerator. So we'll get minus a squared plus b squared plus c squared over minus 2bc equals, all the minus 2 cancels, the b cancels, and the c cancels. So we're just left with cos A. These minuses cancel, and we can just rearrange our numerator. If we write b squared plus c squared first, then minus the a squared over 2bc.